So today we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so before solving this problem we will discuss Newton's law of viscosity. Okay, so what happens when the fluid flows between two parallel plates in which one plate is fixed and another plate moves with the velocity of fluids. Okay, so what is the Newton's law of viscosity in a mathematical form? So Newton's law of viscosity Newton's law of viscosity Newton's law of viscosity in mathematical form, tau proportional to velocity gradient du by dy. A law which follows this mathematical relation is known as the Newton's law of viscosity. When we will remove this proportionality sign, then we will get a constant. Okay, so tau equals to mu du by dy. So this mu is known as the viscosity of a fluid. Okay, tau is the shear stress, mu is the viscosity of fluid, a fluid which is flowing between these two parallel plates, and du by dy is the velocity gradient. Okay, so now we are going to calculate a unit of viscosity. Okay, so what is tau equals to? F y a equals to mu equals to du by dy. Okay, so this we can also write in this manner: mu equals to f y a into dy into du y dy inverse. We can also write this equation in this form. Okay, so now we are going to calculate a unit of viscosity. So mu equals to Fya, F force, so the unit of force is Newton. So Newton per A area per meter square into du by dy, du velocity, differential velocity, so it will be meter per second, dy distance between these two plates means meter inverse. So meter will cancel out. This is 1 by second, and inverse of 1 by second will give a second. Okay, so the unit of viscosity will be Newton, this will be second per meter square. Okay, so this is the one unit of a viscosity, and another unit of viscosity we can also derive from this equation. Okay, so in next case another unit. Okay, mu equals to Fya, force. So force equals to m into a, mass into acceleration, or we can write m mass into acceleration by area, and this will be dy by du. Okay, so mass into acceleration, the unit of mass kilogram. Okay, so kilogram, unit of acceleration meter per second square, into unit of area 1 by meter square, into dy meter du meter per second. Meter will cancel out, this 1 meter will also cancel out. So the unit of mu will be equals to kilogram, this will cancel out kilogram per meter second. So this is another unit of viscosity in MK unit or SI unit. Okay. Yeah, now we are going to solve this problem. Okay. So what is happening in this problem? A plate 0.025 millimeter distance from a fixed plate. So this is the fixed plate and this is another plates. So the distance between these two plates equals to, distance means suppose this is y1 and this is y2. So we can write this y2 minus y1, okay, equals to dy equals to 0.025 mm. Okay, moves at 16 centimeter per second. So this plates, top plates is moving with a 60 centimeter per second velocity. Okay, and requires a force of 2 Newton per meter square to maintain this speed. Okay, so this plate requires some force, okay, 2 Newton per unit area. Okay, so that the motion of this plate will be maintained. If the motion of this plate will be maintained, then the motion of the liquid will also be maintained. Okay, liquid which is flowing between these two parallel plates. Okay, and here we have to calculate a viscosity of a fluid. Okay, so now the so what are given dy equals to 0.025 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So we have converted millimeter into meter. Okay, so this is like y2 minus y1. Okay, and u2 minus u1 du. Okay, suppose initial velocity of this plate will be 0 and final velocity will be 60 centimeter per second. Okay, so it will be 60 centimeter per second means 0.6 meter per second. Okay, and next, force per unit area is given. Force per unit area which is applying on this plate is given 2 Newton per meter square. Okay, FYA 2 Newton per meter square. So this is equals to tau shear stress. Okay, so this is equals to tau shear stress. Okay, which is acting on this plate. Okay, and when shear stress also acting between the liquid layers. Okay, one liquid layer apply the shear stress on another liquid layer, so that is known as a liquid shear stress. Okay, okay, so next we have to put all these value in a equation. Newton's law of viscosity, tau equals to mu du by dy. Okay, so put all the value in this equation. So mu, okay, equals to tau equals to FYA 2 Newton per meter square equals to mu into du means 0.6 meter per second. Why? dy, see dy, difference between the means this is the differential height or length or between the plates. Okay, or a distance between these two plates. So distance between these two plates will be equals to 0.025 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Okay, next we can write this equation, we can write this solution in this form. Mu equals to 2 Newton per meter square into 2 Newton per meter square into this will multiply with this, so 0.025 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter divided by this 0.6 meter per second. Okay, so we can write in this manner. Okay, so this meter will cancel out, this second will multiply with this, so the new value of mu will be equals to, when you will solve this, then you will get the answer 8.33. When you will solve this, then you will get the answer equivalent to 8.33 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, Newton second per meter square. Okay, so this is the final answer of this problem. Okay, so thank you very much.